Hello po, andito na ako sa SM Molino, Cavite. Ito ang Easter Egg Day Celebration Decor. Papa. Yan. Ito. And advance happy Easter Egg Day po sa SM Molino, Cavite. Ayan. Sa taas na ako ng SM Molino. Ayan. Ito ang Quantum Kids Venue. Ito pa. Ito ang KFC Miniso Tom's World. This is a close-up claw machine. Yeah. This is the basketball shooter. This one. Lights. Let's go to Tom's World. And this is a merry-go-round carousel and train in SM Molino, Cavite. Let's enter the Tom's World. Wow, this is a claw machine. Rides. And this one in basketball shooter. Tokens. And advance happy Easter Egg Day in Tom's World, SM Molino, and Quantum. Advance happy Easter Egg Day sa SM Molino, Cavite. Yan.